My left stroke just went viral.
Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note.
What's up, YouTube? We're back in with another video, but this time we're gonna do it a little different. We're gonna cook for y'all. It's gonna be our first cooking video. We're gonna try not to burn the house down. We are gonna do the Hot Cheetos Chicken. We already got everything pre-ordered because we're gonna try to fly through this and make this kind of quick, so the video won't be as long. But of course we got our Hot Cheetos. Oh, wait a minute, before I say that, let's introduce everybody. For those you don't know, well, of course you know me, I'm Eric, Ariana, Braylon, and EJ. Those my two, my nephew in the middle. The short one is my nephew. Alright, but like I said, we already got our Hot Cheetos. We have our chicken already. Make sure you clean your chicken. Some of y'all don't clean your chicken. Cleaned and seasoned, that's ready. We have our flour. We have our egg already beat, and we also have our Hot Cheetos already crunched. So, I got my helpers here. We got a nice little assembly line going. We got a nice little assembly line ready for y'all. And we're gonna get started. Alright. Like I said, I got everything. I got a nice little assembly line set up, so should be quick and easy. I'm just go through a few steps and let y'all see how we're gonna get it put together, and then I'll come back and let you see the finished product. Alright, so what we do is take out a piece of chicken. Like I said, chicken's already seasoned. Drop it in the flour, shake that around. We got our egg batter here. Dip it in the egg batter. Roll that around one good time. Oh, I can't even flip. Roll it around one good time. Then we got our Hot Cheetos. So, shake it around.
Just see how it looks.
Shake it around just like I'm taking out. Shake it around just like that. And you see we have our Cheetos batter on it. Sit it in the pan, ready for the grease. Then just alright, dip it in the egg batter. Shake a little excess off. Then you're ready for your Cheetos batter. Shake it around. Boom, boom, boom. You got the grease ready. Boom. It's ready for grease. Ready to be cooked. And that's it. Let's do one more. Let's see one more. Chicken in the flour. Like so. Boom. Shake it around. Chicken in your egg batter. Toss it, same motion. Just like that. And then your last step is in your Hot Cheetos batter, or whatever you want to call it. Boom, ready for grease. Alright, I hate to pass them on, but let's get the assembly line started. Oh, she don't even know how to work. Oh, let's help her. Grab a piece of chicken. The chicken ain't gonna be no good now. Drop it in the flour. Boom, shake it around. Okay, let him get it out, let him get it out. Get it out and put it in there. Hold on, shake some of the flour off. You got a thing for the flour. Shake some of the flour off. Hold it. And put it in the egg. Oh, let it go, let it go. Let it go. Turn it around, flip it around.
I'm gonna put it in the Takis, the Cheetos.
Okay, we got more flour. Okay, now pick it up. Let him pick it up, let him pick it up. Pick it up.
You gotta shake it up?
No, pick it up. Get the thing back. Get the thing. Never mind. Alright, now put it in there. Let it go. Now EJ, shake it up. I don't know if y'all can see the table. Let me see if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it. Where he wasted the Cheetos on the table. Okay. Come on, man. That's good. You're not ready to waste it. Just throw it back. You're not ready to waste it. Dump it in the fire. There you go. I'm gonna let them go on and finish messing it up. I'm getting let them go and finish messing it up and do some more. Then I'm come back and let y'all see it hit that grease.
How you cooking? Look at my hand. I didn't make no mess over here.
Sugar, why you put your hands in the flour? We gotta use the flour.
How am I supposed to know that?
That's it. It's over with.
I think I got flour in my hair.
Why you put both your hands in the flour?
I probably dump it in here. It's not got all.
Alright, and we back. Like I said, a lot of cutting dry. I don't really think y'all want to see the actual chicken frying in the grease. There's no need to. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all haven't seen chicken fry before. But we are back with our finished product. As you can see, our Hot Cheetos Chicken. Oh, get in the camera, get in the camera. Alright, let me see. Focus. Hide their face, see what the focus. Is it getting that? I don't know. You see it, alright, we're gonna try it out. Uh-oh. Paper towel, I wanna try a piece and see how it is. There you go. Now grab your piece of chicken.
Ooh. Mine don't even got no skin on it.
Alright, get a piece of chicken and try it out.
Ready?
There you go. Hot. Don't burn your fingers.
It's good. It's okay. No, it's the first. I just need water.
That's pretty good right there.
It's pretty good. If you know how to cook it right, it's gonna be good.
That's why y'all didn't cook it. They burnt it up. Yeah, I just seen. I might put in some of this assembly line action in the video so y'all can see it. Hot man. They got fired the first day. But as you see, that was our Hot Cheetos Chicken. That we cooked for our first cooking video. Maybe we'll come back and cook something else and then we'll see how that turns out also. Alright, don't forget, like the video, go subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see us to do. And if it's in the budget, we will see if we can get it done. But like I said, I'm Eric, Ariana, Braylon, and EJ. EJ stands for Eric Jr. I had somebody ask me that before. But, like I said, like and subscribe to the video. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and